वेलकम टू लाइफ गाइडर। लाइफ गाइडर में आपका स्वागत है। ये करंट अफेयर की एक और सीरीज़ है जिसमें आपको अबव मेंशन डेट्स के अकॉर्डिंग जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट इवेंट्स हुए हैं जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं आपके एसएससी, यूपीएससी, रेलवे और इसके तरह अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स में, उसके बारे में आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट।
First question. The National Agriculture Market Portal (eNAM) completed how many years of implementation on 14th of April 2020? So the right option is option B, 4 years. Next question. The first remote health monitoring system has been set up in India by All Indian Institute of Medical Sciences in which of the following place along with Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited? So the right option is option B, Rishikesh. Next question. Ministry of Labour and Employment has set up how many control rooms under the office of CLC across India to sort out the issues that are arising in the backdrop of COVID-19? So the right option is option B, 20. Next question. S&P Global Ratings slashed India's GDP growth forecast for the country to 3.5% from a previous downgrade of 5.2%. Where is the headquarters of S&P Global Ratings? So the right option is option A, New York City. Next question. Shri Birupaksha Mishra took charge as the executive director of which bank? Right option is option C, Union Bank of India. Next question. RBI to slap how much penal interest on bank if failed to invest targeted long-term repo operations fund within 30 days? So the right option is option A, 200 basic points. Next question. Malayalam New Year Vishu is celebrated on which date? So the right option is option C, 14th of April. Next question. The government of India aims to inject how much money into villages to boost the rural economy? Right option is option B, rupees 1 lakh crore. Next question. The Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, Indian Institute of Science, and Tata Memorial Center launched a science-based website to bring the scientific and factual aspects of COVID-19 pandemic outbreak into the public domain. What is the name of website? Right option is option C, COVID Gyan. Next question. Tamil New Year Puthandu is celebrated on which date? Right option is option D, 14th of April. Next question. Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended the nationwide lockdown till which of the following days on 14th of April 2020? Right option is option C, 3rd May 2020. Next question. World Chaga Disease Day is observed on which date every year? Right option is option B, 14th of April. Next question. The Indian Council of Medical Research announced that which of the following antiviral drug can be used against COVID-19? Right option is option C, Remdesivir. Next question. Baisakhi is the harvest festival of Punjab. It is celebrated on which date? Right option is option A, 14th of April. Basically remember that on 14th of April, we celebrated Baisakhi. On this auspicious day, people celebrated Vaishakhi, Vishu, Rongali Bihu, Noboborsho, Vaishakhadi, Puthandu, Pirappu, which are being celebrated in different parts of the country. The festival is a religious festival celebrated by Sikhs and Hindus. Next question. The birth anniversary of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is celebrated on which day? Right option is option D, 14th of April. Next question. SC says only person covered under which scheme can be tested COVID-19 in private labs. Right option is option B, Ayushman Yojana. Next question. Ordnance Factory Board began the supply of coveralls conforming to ISO Class 3 exposure standards. The initial order of 1.10 lakh from HLL has begun in Ordnance Factory Board. Where is the headquarters of Ordnance Factory Board? The right option is option D, Kolkata. Next question. GMR Airports Limited gets approval to build Greenfield International Airport in which of the following district? Right option is option D, Vizianagaram. Basically, GMR Airports Limited get approval to build Greenfield International Airport at Bhogapuram in Vizianagaram district of Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Which institute has developed COVID-19 sample collection kiosk to combat COVID-19? The right option is Defense Research and Development Laboratory, which is situated at Hyderabad. Last question. The center is to pass ordinance which will allow the state governments the flexibility to increase the work hours of employees across establishment to how many hours per day from 8 hours. Right option is option D, 12. Now the employees will work for 12 hours per day from 8 hours.
So thank you very much. Keep learning and meet you next time with some more important questions of current affairs.